a fail. What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking this wig out, and you can already see some of my ponytail, some of my pieces that's come out in the back. But I took the wig out already, and this is what it looks like underneath, like my foundation and everything. So underneath this, I did a flat twist out first, because I can't braid, so I did a flat twist out so my hair could be like on, like slick back. So I did the flat twist out correctly, or at least I tried to, because I've never done a flat twist out before. But I was like, let me go ahead and try to do that, and then when we take the wig off, maybe I'll have a bomb flat twist out as well. So I kind of was trying to get, you know, two styles in one, basically. So if that did work, then that would be bomb, and a bomb idea for everyone to try to elongate not having to wash their hair, basically. Or mess with their hair, basically, really. So I just put a little clip back here. But this is what it's looking like fresh out of prison. If you watch my Instagram, then you know my inmate number is 1052. That is me. I am her. Let's take this out. And these are the flat twists I have. Like, I think I have 8. 1, 2, 3. I got 8 of these bad boys straight to the back. So yeah, let's, like, I don't know if I'm gonna get a good result or not, but we finna see. We are about to see, okay? And the front of my hair looks real crusty because of that wig, but we gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. All right. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and start taking these down. I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know. A little frizzy. I'm just going to judge it at the end. I ain't going to judge it right now. I will say these ends look good. I took this side down. I don't know, y'all. Ooh, it itched a little bit. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go take this side down off camera, and I'll be right back. Family, baby, what's going on? Look at this. A fail. Y'all, this looks, I don't like it. Like, I like the volume, but the definition, like, it's really shiny and moisturized. You can clearly see that. But I just think I didn't do my ends right for some kind of reason. And my hair is super soft. Like, it is so soft, like overly soft. It may be because the products that I used were super moisturizing, but my hair is super soft, like crazy soft, and big. It feels amazing, but it don't look as amazing, right? We got the lots of moisture part this time, but just not the bomb results. because this is... Thank you so much, family, for watching this quick video. I'm going to keep on working on my flat twist outs. I'm going to do them to the side and hope that I get better results that way. But thanks for watching this video and supporting your girl. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Also, like and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at CurlyChris. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys on my next video, and hopefully it's not a fail. But shout out to me for recording this for y'all so y'all can see every hairstyle that I do is not perfect, okay? It's not perfect. I get the exact same results as you guys do sometimes, so it is 100% normal, and my hair is not perfect at all. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one, family. But before you go ahead and click on the next video. I'll put them right here for you.